Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive your Chevy Bolt EV. First, to begin your journey, simply press the power button located on the dashboard. Once the vehicle is on, you'll use the electronic shifter to select your desired gear, like drive or reverse. For an easier driving experience, engage the one-pedal driving feature, which allows you to control speed with just the accelerator pedal. It's a smooth and intuitive way to get going. One-pedal driving is a fantastic feature that simplifies your driving. When activated, you primarily use just the accelerator pedal. Press down to go, and simply lift your foot to slow the vehicle down, even to a complete stop. This process also efficiently regenerates energy back into the battery, extending your range. Practice gentle, consistent pressure for the smoothest acceleration and deceleration, making your ride incredibly comfortable. Keeping your Bolt EV charged is straightforward. You'll find the charging port conveniently located on the driver's side, near the front fender. Simply open the cover and firmly insert the charging cable. For most home charging, you'll use a level 2 charger, which can fully charge the battery in about 7 hours. The vehicle's dashboard will display your charging progress and estimated time until full. When you've reached your destination, parking your Bolt EV is simple. Press the P button on the electronic shifter to engage park mode. For added security, especially on inclines, remember to engage the electronic parking brake. Finally, to power down the vehicle completely, just press the power button again. It's a quick and easy process, ensuring your vehicle is safely secured until your next drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.